Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we received the Infinix XWatch H4 smartwatch. It is the newest smartwatch from Infinix and loaded with a Bluetooth call, sports, and health. On this video, we are going to have the unboxing review of the XWatch H4 by Infinix. We will check the design, the specifications, as well as the UI of the new smartwatch from Infinix. So this is the first video for the Infinix XWatch H4. We'll have a second one and we'll focus on the menus and features. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. And of course, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the XWatch H4 smartwatch by Infinix. Let's have the unboxing review of its design, the specs, and the UI. So let's go first with the packaging before we remove the plastic cover here. So simple packaging, but it's a different style compared to the previous Infinix smartwatch packaging. So as you can see here, I guess this strap is already attached to the smartwatch. So we have here, stay connected. On the side, nothing. At the back, we do have the details on the specifications. So we have the QR code here. Still, it is using the My Health application available on Android and iOS. So we have some details here. Smartwatch XW4L. Okay, so let's remove the plastic here and let's see the smartwatch. Alright. Okay, so the plastic has been removed. Let's unbox this smartwatch. Okay, so we'll open this and let's check the contents. Yes, so let's pull this out. Again, the contents for our Infinix XWatch H4. So here's the smartwatch. Nothing else. You have the smartwatch. Let's remove it. With a sporty strap. I think the charger is inside. Okay, so we have the charging cable and we have the user manual. Again, here are the contents of the Infinix XWatch 4 or XWatch H4. We have the smartwatch with the strap attached. We have the charging cable, USB type A, magnetic, and we have the user manual, Infinix XWatch H4 XW4L, and we have, I think it's a warranty card. Okay, yes, it is a warranty card. So here are the contents. So for the design, so the smartwatch do have a, based on the specifications, we have a polycarbonate body, PC material. We have a sporty strap here. Let's remove this. Nice. It looks elegant. Okay, it looks more premium compared to the XWatch 3 that we have. This one is much better, to be honest. I like the finish here. Brush, semi-metallic. And as you can see here, it looks beautiful. The XWatch H4, and we have a crown button here. Based on the specs, it's rotary. I like the strap, very unique, with a quick release pin for easy replacement. Again, here's the design. Beautiful looking smartwatch so far. Okay, I hope it has a very good UI also, and easy to navigate. Okay, for the dimension, let's check. We have 41.2 for the width. For the length, we have 49.4 or 49. For the thickness, we have 11.9, or I think it's 12. For the weight, with the strap attached, we have 43.55. It's lightweight because of its polycarbonate material, ABS PC material. Okay, so next, let's check out the specifications. Let's turn this on first so we can check out the display. Power on, Infinix. English. I guess we can skip this, I think. Let's see. So I guess, no. We really have to bind the smartwatch to the support app. Anyway, let's go first with the specs. So as you can see here, we do have a 2.04 inch TFT LCD with a 240 by 284 pixel resolution, 300 mAh battery, IP68 waterproof rating. So here are the features. We do have a Bluetooth connectivity, Bluetooth call, IP68, 2.04 inch large screen display, and it is using the My Health support app. Again, for the full specs, I'm going to list it here. 2.04 inch screen display, 240 by 284 pixel resolution, IP68, 300 mAh battery. Next, we are going to connect this and we'll check out the UI of the Infinix XWatch H4. Alright, so we have successfully paired it with the support app, My Health app. And now we can check out the UI of the XWatch H4. Again, this is a rotary crown button. You can use this to switch the watch faces. We do have a very good screen display, slim and proportion for left and right border, as well as on top. On the bottom part, it is a bit wide. For the UI, swipe from top to down. We have the settings and options here. On the bottom part, we have the notifications, we have the split screen, and we have the widgets. To access the main menu, just press the power button. You can use the crown button to zoom in and zoom out, as well as change the watch face. Okay, so that's it for our unboxing review of the Infinix XWatch H4. Checking out the design, the specs, and the UI. On our next video, we are going to focus on the menus and features. Again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.